Here we go. Decided to go with the aftermarket because OEM was too much. It's like over $100 more.
$200 more.
Oh, was it? Okay, we're gonna slap this on. All right, use this empty coolant bottle so I can use it to catch the fuel from the old fuel pump. All right, just checking out the new pump, making sure it looks somewhat what an OEM one looks like. Looks good, but looks could be deceiving. We won't know until this thing is in. All right, we're gonna get started here. So I'll go ahead and take off the gas cap, relieve it from some fuel pressure or vapor pressure, whatever. And then we're gonna take the seat cushion off, held on by the 10mm bolt and a couple hooks. Tools we'll need is this little special tool to remove the plastic lock nut of this fuel pump assembly. Got a little adapter here in my ratchet. All right, gotta get up in there. 10mm bolt right there. Could you see that? Nope. There it is, right there. 10mm socket with a extension. Come on. There it is. This, pull up on here. Now pull up on this side, get your finger underneath the seat cushion and just pull up. Good to go. Just yank out the cushion. Watch out for this butterfly clip. Here we go. Take these off. So a few weeks ago, or more like a month ago, oh damn, it got worse. Put Honda bot on here, wishful thinking. Look at all that fuel, it's kicking it. All right. Bet you just, see the Honda bonds like.
It didn't do anything.
Nah, I didn't do shit. Watch out, you're gonna get squirted.
Hold on. Take a picture.
Told you. All right, we got the paper rag thing going on.
And then you buy the tires?
Hey, he forgot I was making a video. All right, gotta wipe this down. That was the editor. He forgot I was making a video. So just gotta soak up the fuel that spilled out. Because we don't want any of this sand going in the fuel, or try not to get it in there anyway. Wipey. That fuel line was getting in the way, so I went ahead and hopefully this painter's tape does the job and I don't need to worry about it. Normally I would just push it aside, but sometimes it likes flinging back out on me. Go ahead and continue wiping down all this crud, sand, whatever. Now we're ready to take it off. Look at that. There is no effort. Just let it drain. There's a lot of fuel inside this little housing. That way less mess. Hopefully. Alright, good to go. So I gotta transfer over this clip because the new one doesn't come with one. Alright, gotta get a pocket screwdriver. It's not working out. Good to go. Really don't need to do this. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But I put a little bit of silicone so this could slide up and around easily. All right, let's put it in the car. There's all these rubber bands and shit. All right. All we really need is this piece right here. That's where it's leaking, but can't get it separate. I'm sure somewhere you might be able to, but it's really weird. See, it feels weird too. It's like different from the oil, but oh well. Right, going in. So be careful with this float. You don't want to bend it up or anything, because this is your fuel sending unit. When this thing is up, less resistance, so the needle is high. As it goes down, when the level goes down, less resistance, or more resistance, so the level is low on the gauge readout. Then you gotta pull this down and put the gasket around here. Just make sure it's nice and flush and it doesn't fall in. So if it is, then it's not sealing, then you don't want that. And then this line right here, see there's a line right there? It's supposed to go in between these two little lines. You see it?
Yep.
Then you gotta get the lock nut. Shit, I should have brought it. Could you get the lock nut? So make sure the gasket is all the way around. Nice. Yep, it is.
Is that lined up right?
Yeah. It just feels weird because it's aftermarket shit. But so you hold it down and you try to. You hope and pray it catches, because sometimes this doesn't like to go on, so I end up using the old one because it's the form of the gas tank kind of gets warped. Just use this tool so I can get it in there. Good to go. Oh, it was this tape? I want this thing to be out the way while I'm trying to tighten this. Right, plug this in.
That's it, one little clip.
Okay. So now what I like to do is prime the fuel pump, and you do that by turning on the ignition switch on, and then the fuel pump relay energizes. Then the fuel pump turns on for a few seconds, and then turn it off, turn it on again, so that way the fuel line will fill up so you can start it off right away. Because if you don't, you'll kind of have a long crank time, but it'll eventually start. All right, go ahead, turn it on, but don't start the car. Key on, engine off. Okay, off. Just make sure it's not leaking fuel here. Go ahead, turn it on, turn it off. All right, off, on. Okay, try starting the car. Good to go, and that's how you do a fuel pump. Put everything back in the reverse order. What year is this?
2005 Honda Civic.
2005 Honda Civic
DX.
DX. Fuel pump replacement because the housing right here was cracked, causing fuel vapors. Oh, excuse me. Because the housing up here was cracked, causing fuel vapors to enter the cabin, and you don't want that. Breathing in hydrocarbons is not a good thing. All right, so you just line up the little nipple thingamaboppers with this aluminum plate. I don't know if it's aluminum, but
No,
this
it's metal.
plate, it's metal.
Aluminum is bend. Yeah, this is not aluminum.
Oh, okay. For shizzle.
Yeah, it could be too soft.
Hopefully that's not what she said. All right, good to go, bro. That's it. All right, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.